Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and I am going bananas over these sheet sets.
First of all, both of my kids love these sheet sets. They love monkeys, so they're really excited to sleep with these. Since it's just a sheet set, it is really easy to mix and match with a different comforter, and it still looks good. My son is the animal lover, so when he has these sheets, he gets so excited. The pattern is very simple and has very little color, but it just looks so awesome and it really pops. Simple yet sophisticated. It's very soft and the animals are very realistic. This was definitely well done. I love how cohesive it all is.
So if you're looking for a really fun pattern, if you like monkeys or a different jungle animal, if you have a jungle theme or just a monkey theme in your room, if you have kids or even for yourself, I love these sheets so much and they are so nice and soft, easy to wash. I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.